Let's learn about a new way to reach your customers. In this modern world, everything is getting digitalized. The traditional marketing method through print media has drastically changed with the increasing popularity of digitization. Now it's all in your hands that you can market your products at your fingertips. This opportunity is now fulfilled with one specific online service, such as WhatsApp marketing, which can boost your business sales. Hi and welcome to the channel. I'm Aditi. And today we are going to tell you about why should you use WhatsApp marketing for your business. So when you think about social media, Facebook, Twitter are the first ones that immediately come to your mind. But messenger apps have caught up to social networks in terms of users. And increasingly, messenger apps are being used for marketing. From customer engagement, brand awareness, to commerce opportunities for products and services, there are many reasons to use WhatsApp Business. WhatsApp marketing is one of the best ways to increase your website traffic. And it is the right tool to allow your customers to be in contact. And as a result, WhatsApp is the fastest messaging app globally to reach your clients quickly. Also, the clients enjoy the avenue of such communication and build trust for the brand. You can also run promotions on WhatsApp by using some excellent features like voice notes, text messages, images or video sharing, document sharing, etc. To know more about WhatsApp marketing for business, now let's dive into it. Messengers are a great opportunity to enhance your marketing approach. For example, the use of WhatsApp for your corporate promotion. So whether you're a small enterprise or a large enterprise, using WhatsApp Business is a great way to reach out to more customers and manage their requests. Here are the top reasons to know. Relation with the customers. More than 55% of the individuals who use message applications feel more connected to a brand. So it makes WhatsApp marketing an informative medium to develop deep consumer relations. However, keeping links with companies help in saving costs, because retention of customers is 5 to 25 times lower than buying. But WhatsApp offers a rich set of customization possibilities to the company. For example, give unique welcome greetings, birthday feedback, special offers, etc. This strategy maintains customers' loyalty to a company, whereas more than 70% of consumers report that they only use individualized marketing communications. Next is better sales. WhatsApp marketing works as a wand for your business. It's easy to add a WhatsApp number to your website and increase sales. In addition, it creates trust in potential customers by reaching a business through a messaging app. For example, to buy directly through an app instead of spending time in stores or malls. Even customers are more enthusiastic about messengers. Design your communication. In contrast to other mediums, WhatsApp messages have outstanding open rates. Your marketing on such a channel will be dead if you give irrelevant or badly created material. So start pointing out your main subjects and statements. Try not to promote oneself, but educate and entertain your audience. Maintain healthy communication with your customers. Try to have shorter communication on WhatsApp, as people don't have time to read long messages. WhatsApp marketing represents a beautiful opportunity to strengthen your business and develop deep, long-lasting consumer relationships. Also, try to go beyond WhatsApp to obtain greater outcomes and manage your consumers' requirements. So guys, let's know in the comment section how you found this video. If you find this video helpful, do like and share. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get more videos like this. We'll meet you in our next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.